My name is AJ Bernhardt with Auto Body Concepts in Council Bluffs, Iowa and Omaha, Nebraska. We have 2 locations. They are about 20 miles apart. Family owned. I'm second generation. My father started the company in 1991. One of the main reasons we got Carbeat and we started looking at it was we needed a solution to our expansion. Our Council Bluffs location, we got the building next to us, so we ended up doubling our size. They're right next to each other, but they doubled in size, 2 separate buildings. So we needed a solution for the communication between the 2 buildings that everybody could see without having to see it. They could not have the cars in front of them, and they knew what was coming through in production. So, painters are in one building, parts and body technicians are in another. So we needed that area to be covered. So I knew as soon as it was announced in 2017, I think, that we were going to need it. So we were the first ones in Omaha and really in the area to have the Carbeat. It's been great. We have two release meetings every day, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and we always meet at the main screen, and we go through everything. We usually start right and go left, so that we can in the afternoon we may only work till go over the car, so it's quick. It's 5-6 minutes tops. We start and get to body or paint, because we know that that's only going to be what we can cover in that rest of the day. And if we're got a stumble, we know right then and we can get it taken care of. So it's helped with a lot of the nonverbal communication. There's still questions, but technicians know what's coming down. They know, hey, we've got 6 cars and ready for repairs. It's going to be a little full. Obviously, we don't now, but they know that in blueprinting, my teardown, my disassembly teams, they're going to have some full days coming up. So it's been truly invaluable. The return on investment is tenfold. So we use the reports. I use it with my blueprint coordinator and my shop manager, just to go over some baseline KPIs, see where we're at, see what we can improve on. Obviously sometimes a cycle time kind of is what it is, but it's nice knowing what we can improve on, all the way from average repairs. In the last month we've had nothing but huge jobs. Why is that? Can we, with having 2 locations, can we shuffle those around so that we're not just bombarded with the $10,000 plus repairs, so that it's taken forever to get cars through. Cycle time, looking at days, being able to compare that with what insurance companies are telling us. We only have 1 DRP, so we're kind of on the other cusp of non-DRP driven. And then we're also looking at going into OEM certifications. So knowing that we can look at what we're fixing, seeing the parts, how long it takes to get the parts in the average time of waiting in parts in the reports, and we can see what cars we're fixing. So we don't go and get a certification for Jaguar Land Rover that we fix 1 a year of. And we can look at the GM products and say, geez, that's been our number 1 for the last year. Okay. So we also use the board during our production meetings in the morning and in the afternoon, about once a week, just as a lighthearted morale booster, I guess. And we pick somebody random. So anybody from somebody on the cleanup team to a painter to body tech, we'll pick them to go through it. That's the whole idea of this, is to make it very user friendly, and anybody can go up and read it and know what's going on. I have a cleanup guy who's been with us for like 3 weeks, and he can pretty much run the board. I mean, he knows what's coming up, what's going on, what's happening. So